Okay guys, today is gonna be a really quick review. I'm gonna be going over Caffeine and L-Theanine. Specifically, this is Nootropics Depot 2-to-1 formulation of it. So it's 200 milligrams of caffeine and 100 milligrams of L-Theanine. So a lot of people recommend caffeine and L-Theanine as the #1 energy supplement. If you're somebody that likes coffee, but maybe you don't like maybe the runs that come with it, or some of the other kind of cons, side effects that come with consuming coffee, or you're somebody that doesn't want to drink a cup of coffee to feel energy, you just want to, you know, pop a little supplement and be on your way. They told it as, okay, well, the L-Theanine will kind of offset some of the effects of the caffeine. But in my opinion, guys, this is just way too strong. You could go with 100 milligrams of caffeine and 200 milligrams of L-Theanine, and that would probably be good for you. The L-Theanine would kind of offset some of the extremities of the caffeine, as in a formulation like this, to make it where it's basically more bearable, and you kind of don't get like that jitteriness that you usually get when you have a single cup of coffee. But something like this, 200 milligrams of caffeine, 100 milligrams of L-Theanine, guys, you'll almost lose your mind off of this. I remember one day I went to work and I popped one of these. I took one of these supplements. I was really tired the night before. I wanted to get through my shift, so I was like, why not? Why not take one of them? Guys, if I can't tell you how sick I got. It almost kind of felt like a caffeine overdose. I'm very gentle in using those words, but it was way too much caffeine in my system. I was too geeked, I was too hyped up. I felt sick the whole day. I should have gone home early, I didn't. I still made it through my shift, but basically what I'm trying to say is you don't need 200 milligrams of caffeine, even if you do have that L-Theanine to kind of help smooth it out. So even the creators of this, the people at Nootropics Depot, I saw in a Reddit thread, they were saying that this can be a little bit too intense for people. Maybe if you're already really addicted to coffee, you're already really addicted to caffeine, you might be able to brave through 200 milligrams of caffeine, but myself, I wasn't able to use it. I'll also give you some alternatives just for sticking around to the end of the video. So some alternative energy supplements if you want to have some energy, you need to kind of get a boost throughout the end of your day, you want something to kind of help keep you going. I would recommend Panax Ginseng. That one's really good just for giving you kind of like a subtle spike in cortisol, which gives you energy. Rhodiola Crenellata, Nootropics Depot has a really good one. It's similar to Rhodiola Rosea, but it actually is more energy invoking. And then if I had to give you a third one, I'd probably say L-Tyrosine. That's more of a productivity supplement in my opinion, because it kind of helps you focus on things, but it also gives you a little bit of energy as well in my opinion. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching today, guys. If you guys would like to schedule a call with me, I have my link down in my description. We can come up with a specific biohacking regimen for you, whether you want to grow taller, whether you need more energy supplements, whether you want to sleep better, whether you want to increase your size down there, whether you want to increase your libido, whatever it is, we can come up with a specific biohacking regimen specifically catered to your needs. So hit the link down in the description if you want to schedule a call with me. We can talk about it. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll be back with another one very soon.